Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the weight detection system using Python. So these are the project folder. We are using the Yolo algorithm, and this is the dataset folder which contain the images and the labels. Labels contain the coordinates of that particular image. So this will be the complete dataset that contain the image and the labeled. Okay, let's go back, and this is the Python code. In the starting line we are importing the Python libraries, and other one is the config and the weight files and the path of that particular files. Okay, and this is the image path where we are giving that particular jpeg image from dataset folder. If you want to change the image, then you have to rename that particular image from code, and we have to change the location of that particular image. So let's run the code. Open the terminal, then run python space detection.py. Okay, it will run the Python code and detect the weight from that particular image with the accuracy. Okay, user have to only pass the input image, and model will recognize that particular weight from that particular image. Okay, so let's change the image name. Go to dataset folder and just copy that image name, and again go to Python code and rename that particular name. Okay, just save and again run the Python file. Okay, we have given the jpeg image. Okay, let's again open the terminal and write python space weight detect.py, and model will load and detect the image particular like weed. We are using the image processing technique to identify the weed from that particular image. Okay, like machine learning model use trained on the large dataset of image. Okay, that contain thousands of images. Let's rename that particular image and again run the Python code. Open terminal and run the Python code like python space detect.py, and it will identify the weight from that particular image. User can give input from the dataset, or they can download from the internet. Okay, let's give another image. User just have to copy that particular image name and paste in the code and save the file. Again open the terminal and run the Python code. Okay, model will load and identify the weight from that particular image. So this is the complete project. This project developed using Python programming language and Tkinter used to develop the graphical user interface. If you are in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend.